In today's video, I am going to teach you how to easily take a full-page screenshot on Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome and go to the web page you want to capture. Make sure the page is loaded fully so the screenshot comes out clearly. It also helps to close any pop-ups or banners that you do not want showing in the final image. Once you are on the correct page, press the Windows key, Shift and S at the same time on your keyboard. This will open the built-in screenshot tool in Windows. You will see a small capture menu appear near the top of your screen, and your screen may become slightly dim. From here, drag across the screen to capture the full area you want in your screenshot. Move carefully so you include the entire visible page. If you want the cleanest result, try to start at one corner and drag all the way to the opposite corner in a smooth motion. After you release your mouse, the screenshot will be taken automatically. In most cases, it will be copied to your clipboard right away, and you may also see a small preview notification appear. If you click that preview, you can open the image and make small edits, save it, or review it before sharing. If you are planning to use the screenshot in a document, email, or chat, you can usually paste it directly with your keyboard shortcut for paste. That covers everything you need to know.